And since 2018, we provide drones for the Israeli Ministry of Defense, the Special Forces. We're actually the exclusive supplier of drones under 25 kilo to the Israeli MOD till the year of 2027. We have in our company about 50 people, about half of them are R&D team. And all our drones are not only field proven, but battlefield proven. Here in this commercial UAV summit, we present our newest innovation, which is called the Rhino Parallel Drone. This is the first in the world and the only in the world drone that combines combustion engine motors with regular electrical motors working together. This enables us to lift very heavy payloads, right now 20 kilo for 50 kilometers for 2 hours, and in 2 to 3 quarters, around quarter 2 of 2025, we will be able to lift 100 kilo for 100 kilometers for 2 hours time endurance. So this is some kind of innovation that I don't think you've ever seen. You are more than welcome to visit us on our booth in booth 346, and I'm ready for questions. Thank you.